Well, not only with the busy travel times, but then we also have the possibility of some rain.
That's right, Daniel. Unfortunately, unsettled weather to conclude our Memorial Day weekend. The thing is, tomorrow is the wettest day of what we're expecting, but not all of that bad as we actually head into the holiday on Monday. And with that, there could even be a few rumbles of thunder. A thunderstorm or two is possible here and there, but we're not expecting any severe weather. It will definitely be soggy and much cooler. We've had temperatures in the 70s to conclude our week here, much cooler as we head into tomorrow. In fact, I'm expecting only to be in the 60s for most of the day, and also a few rounds of rain to make it pretty chilly out there. But that will not be the case for all much longer. We get into Monday, warm back up into the 70s, a pop-up shower or storm. It's more likely that we will see something on Monday, but it won't be a washout for the entire day, which is good for Memorial Day, and mostly cloudy skies. Now, getting into the middle of the week, plenty of sunshine, and also a warm-up in those temperatures. So here's our chances for a thunderstorm. And again, the further south you are in the viewing area, that's where we would expect to have a storm or two on your Sunday tomorrow. Monday, we could have a couple here in Charleston, but at this point in time, just some heavy rain with these as this storm system continues to push its way in. We're dry right now, but notice the increase in the rain showers here, particularly into Virginia. Some of them beginning to come into West Virginia, but we have some dry air at the higher levels of the sky. So we're not expecting any of these at this point to be falling until later tonight around midnight. And you can see the moisture, this very strong area of low pressure really pushing the moisture out of the southeast just off the coast of the Carolinas. That's what's coming our direction here for your Sunday tomorrow. Well, not the best day for the Vandalia gathering tomorrow. A few thunderstorms possible, even though the celebrations begin at 10:30. It's definitely going to be soggy out there, so when thunder does indeed come in, you see lightning, you'll want to move indoors as well, with some winds, but still not a very windy situation as the storm's still a good distance away from us. All right, let's time out your rain on the Futurecast. And by 8:30 tonight, we'll still have a few spotty showers that make their way in. Once we get closer to midnight, that's when things get a little bit more numerous, especially Fayetteville, Beckley, by sunrise in the morning. And we will have some of that here in Charleston as well, waking up on your Sunday. Notice the temperatures. Pretty chilly. Only 60 degrees there by 9:30. Mostly cloudy skies and heavier rain down in Kentucky and the southern coal fields, but still pretty soggy outside. Several rounds of rain showers, perhaps a thunderstorm or two by 5 o'clock. And it doesn't look like we're going to be clearing up all that much now in the late evening hours. We could still be unsettled here even through 8, 9 o'clock in Huntington's and points south. Maybe a little bit drier as you head closer to the eastern mountains by this point in time, but looking to be soggy even through the late night hours for your Sunday evening. And into Monday, waking up with a few morning showers before briefly clearing out and perhaps an afternoon rumble of thunder. So we've increased our rainfall totals just a little bit, especially for the southern areas. About a half inch of rain is what we're expecting here in Charleston and points north, but down south we could get almost 2 inches of rain at times. Charlotte, North Carolina, Coca-Cola 600 NASCAR race scheduled for tomorrow night, 6 o'clock. It could be a little bit unsettled, though. The possibility is there for a few thunderstorms. And while the activity does become more scattered around race time, it still could be pretty soggy for the longest NASCAR race of the year as well. Conditions not looking all that bad for Monday, but looking into the middle of next week, much warmer, maybe 90 degrees there by Thursday for an early taste of summer.